everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fabulously. I am doing another haul, but this is like a really random haul. It's like I went shopping, I went to Westfield because I had a few bits to get. You know when you're just restocking on stuff? I had one or two things to get for Eid for my nieces. So I just thought, let me just share with you guys just like a random shopping haul trip. A brand in particular, just a mixture of things that I'm going to share with you. But obviously, when in Westfield, one must always go into Primark. Even though I needed nothing from there at all, I just wanted to see what was new. So let's just empty this out. Ooh, there's quite a few things in here. Okay, so, and I went with Selena. This is all her fault. Blame her. No, not really. I got 4 of these from their skincare section. These are called Clear and Cool Targeted Blemish Patches. They cost £1.50 each, and they have got purifying tea tree and salicylic acid. You know the one that kills spots, acid. They did these not that long ago for their K-pop range, and then they stopped selling them. They actually work really, really well. These are a much more affordable version of the ones by Skin Iceland, which I have bought in the past. Those cost £15 for a box. These are £1.50, which is so much better, and altogether you get 20 in here as well. So I bought 5. And you know what, it came at a good time because I know you can't see right now, but I've actually got a spot starting to appear on my Cupid's bow. Like, I need my lips to be swollen, and I will be using this later on in the evening. So I highly recommend these. These are so good. Also got this very random thing that Selena explained to me how it works. It's a reusable silicone face mask. So basically you put your face mask on your face, then you wrap this over it, and it kind of helps to penetrate the skin more. I'm not sure how much of that I believe, but it was £1, so I thought let me give it a go. And here's a face mask that I bought. It is a soften and hydrate coconut jelly face mask. Very intriguing. Costs £1. I think I might use this later. Oh, actually, I bought two of them. Hey. I got 2 clear brow gels. They're called PS Define Brow Gel. They cost £1 each. My Anastasia Beverly Hills one is about to finish, my tinted brow gel, and that costs like a lot, and these are £1. So I got this blusher, which is an ombre blusher called Heatwave, Island Escape Heatwave. And I'm trying to open it, but I just realized that this being a haul, I haven't actually opened anything yet. Nothing's been used. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice mixture of very bronzy shades. It'll be interesting to see how that works. Not bad. And then, wasn't going to get it, but again, I blame Selena because she brought them to my attention. Got these 2 highlighter palettes. Let me just say they're both dupes for Anastasia Beverly Hills completely. Now, after I've made that claim, I kind of really need to show them to you, don't I? Yeah. I hate their packaging. It's like they do this weird thing where they put the packaging over the inside of it. Right, why? So this one here, which is called Glow Up 6 Luxury Highlighter Powders. This one is a dupe for the Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit, if you guys remember. Yeah, pretty much all the shades are the same. And then this one here, which is called Glow Getter, is another dupe for Anastasia Beverly Hills. I can't remember the name of the glow kit, but I'm sure those of you who can see this will probably fill me in below, let me know, because I can't remember the actual name. And they both cost £6 each. Anastasia Beverly Hills ones cost £40. Just saying. And by the way, the quality is excellent. We swatched them and played around with them in store, and they were like, wow. And just for reference, all of that came to a total of £20. That just shows you how affordable Primark actually is. Okay, moving on. I've actually got a big next bag here where I shoved everything. This first one is, this is from ASOS, and oh, I've managed to get it dirty. Well, these are some neon flat sandals. They're from ASOS and the brand called Pull and Bear. They were on sale for like £14. So I'm big on the whole neon thing. I'm actually a size 6, but I had to buy them in a size 7 because I've got wide feet. Anything which covers my foot in this area here, like a strap across it, my little piggy toe normally sticks out. So I tend to buy a slightly larger size, and these work perfectly. And I'm going to be taking these on holiday with me when I go abroad in July. Where am I going? Take a guess. I'm going to the Far East, people. The Far East. Somewhere where you cannot go looking crap. Your outfits have to be on point all the time because theirs are. Those of you who want to guess below. For those of you that already know, well, you may as well mention it because I know that some of you know where I'm going. And also from ASOS, I got these earrings. They are from a brand called Liars and Lovers. I can't remember how much these were, but I love them. You guys know how much I love my statement earrings, and again, these go nicely with the whole neon trend. That's it from ASOS. Then from Boots, I bought the classic Seche Vite, which is a dry fast top coat. I use this all the time when I paint my nails on my hands and on my feet. This basically makes your nail polish dry a lot faster, and it gives a nice glossy top coat. If you're wearing a matte nail polish, don't wear this because it will get rid of the matteness and replace it with a glossy sheen. I love this. It does cost about £9, but it lasts me quite a long time. But it does tend to dry out very quickly, which is a little bit annoying because it becomes very gloopy and you have to tip it upside down. But I've not found another brand which is as good. If you have one that you can recommend to me in the UK, please let me know below because I'm always on the lookout for something better or more affordable. Took a little trip to the Ordinary store because now there is an Ordinary store in Westfield in Shepherd's Bush. I restocked on the Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution. Mine is about to finish. I use this every night as part of my nighttime skincare routine. And my Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. You guys know that I use this all the time. I use it on my face. Didn't I show this in another haul recently? Did I accidentally buy more than I needed? I might have done. Oh, never mind. This basically delivers at least 1000% worth of moisture to your skin that moisturizers can't do, and even drinking liters and liters of water cannot do. I use this every single day after I've cleansed, toned, then I use this, I let it dry, and then I moisturize my face. Okay, do you guys want to see something really cute? Like really cute. Look at these baby shoes. Look at them. Rainbow sandals. Look at them. Absolutely adorable. These are from Next. These are for my littlest niece, baby Amber, for Eid. They cost £14, which is a little bit pricey, but Next is not cheap. And then I have got a larger size for Jenna, my older niece, who's 5 years old. I had to be that aunt that did that whole twinning thing. I mean, their parents don't generally wear them, put matching clothes on them. Only now and then, but I just couldn't help myself. They're so adorable. And I thought if I get one for one, I cannot not get the same for the other. Baby Amber's only just been started walking a couple of months ago. She only has 2 pairs of shoes, a pair of rainbow sandals, mine are better, and a pair of like Clark's Start Right shoes. And she kind of toddles around, so I really wanted to get her something cute to wear for the summer. But sorry, my nieces, I love them to pieces. They're my little angels. There is nothing I would not do for them. And this is not enough. I'm going to probably go to the shops again at some point over the next few days. And then the last place that I went to was Lush. You guys know that I absolutely love Lush. I had to restock on this shower gel. It's still limited edition, has been for a while. But I've just finished my other shower gel, American Cream. Oh, I love it. It's just my favourite smell of vanillas and strawberries mixed together. And oh, I just love it. It's so expensive for a shower gel, but I don't care because I love it. Anyway, I also got this. It's a jelly face mask. Jelly stuff seems to be very in this year. And Lush have released jelly face masks. This one's called Bunny Moon. And it says, I didn't read it in my eagerness to buy one of them. They had a whole range. This one has got soothing honey and calming infusion of chamomile and marigold. I hate the smell of chamomile. Hate it. And it's probably like blah, 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 with like a little bit of gold on there. Ugh, I hate the smell of it. But you know what? If it does any good to my face, maybe I'll try this one later actually. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram so you can see when I actually do use these things and show them in person and that sort of thing. What else can I say? On my lips, I'm wearing Huda Beauty's Interview lipstick with Spice Girl lip liner. And I think that's it for my very random haul. I hope you guys are amazing and great, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.